I would like to show you how to crack SSH password. So here is my SSH server. Below is on a user 31.171.244.71 is my server IP. So when I enter, let's ask a password. But if you don't know the password of SSH server, then you can be crack it by using hydra, by using encrack, Medusa. Okay, I just fire nmap and check is it working or not. So if you have to enumerate SSH user, then you can be use metaexploit to enumerate SSH user. So auxiliary scanner SSH enumerate user is an auxiliary which can be show you a dumb user of any SSH server. So it need an host and a user file containing a random user name. So I just created a random username over here in a user txt file. So as you see here, then just exploit. Maybe it's not work, sometimes it's not work, so don't panic. Hydra, I am using hydra and crack, and Medusa is also very good tools, but hopefully hydra is better than Medusa. So L for user, P for password, and IP. SSH protocol double root. So encrack user is below, P for capital P. It must be capital P because it's very sensitive. A server IP and double root on the SSH protocol. So encracking at the server. So let's check, let's watch what happened. Here is something else happening in a metaexploit. It's not properly working, so just leave it. SSH is a secure cell and it's a very secure. So yeah, look at this. You got cracking password. It's on itexpert.com. It's on a password. So let's try on hydra. L for user. If small l, you can be assigned for a single user. If you want to user list, add a user list, then you can add a capital L. It is a user password list. It's in a password file. Okay, I got a password. It's on itexpert.com. If you want to use on a user file or user password file, then you must be use capital L or capital P. Okay, remember. So let's check it. Is it working or not, that password which I got at expert.com. So just SSH, enter the password which I got at expert.com. I got on a session. Here look, it is value at the rate server name pwd for the path of my user, uname, server name, configuration, kernels. Okay, id for am I root or not? No, I'm not root, I'm a user. That terminal is my machine's terminal. Check my machine terminals. Uname is my machine's information. This is the server information, totally different. Okay, if anybody have any doubt, so that's why I am showing. This is server and this is my machine's terminals. So I think thank you for watching.